So for today's math lesson, we're going to do a really quick math lesson because your math activity is review. But I want to go over one problem on your test that a lot of friends were confuzzled about. So from what I could tell from grading, okay, so a lot of friends were really confused about one type of problem on our test, and I just want to make sure that we go over it together. So, on your assessment, there's a question. Is there anyone on here who hasn't taken it yet? No, you've all taken it. On your assessment, there's a question that says, you know, James has he has 6 fish, right? He has 6 fish. Hey, George. He has 6 fish, right? And some are orange. He has some orange fish. And then he has some blue fish. And what it wanted you to do is it wanted you to show, different combinations or different ways to make the number 6. Right? It wanted you to show different combinations or different ways to make the number 6. So, for example, you could have started by drawing, and I can even just do this with a pencil, a regular color, and I could have had, here's my 1 fish, right? Well, if I wanted to make sure that I equal 6, I'm going to take this 1 fish and I'm going to count on. So, I'm going to count on from this 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 1 over here, but I have 6 in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then I would have counted these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 1 plus 5 equals 6. Do you see how I showed one way to do it? Okay, this is what I was looking for. Then it was kind of like when we did it, I did it with 10, showed different ways to make the number 10. So now, if I was showing work for me, no, you're not working for me. Okay, another way. You don't like me today. Another way to make the number 6 is I could have drawn 3 circles, right? 1, 2, 3. So I know this is going to be 3 plus. Now I count on to make sure that I can get to 6. Okay? So I would count on. 3 is in my head. 4, 5, 6. And I see that I have 3 circles here and 3 circles here to get to the number 6. Okay, do you see how I did that? Yes? Yes? Okay, I just wanted you to show me different ways to make the number. So what 2 numbers added together would make the number 6? You could have also done, I could have drawn 2 fish here, right? And then I could have counted on 3, 4, 5, 6 and seen that he has 4 here, right? So 2 plus 4 must equal 6. 0 plus 6 equals 6. 6 plus 0, 4 plus 2. 5 plus 1. So all of those could have worked for that equation. All right. Today what I'd like you to do is I'm going to write some equations on the board, and I want you to tell me, write them on your sheet of paper or board, and tell me if they're greater than or less than. Alrighty. So
I can't see you.
You can't see me?
No.
No?
No.
Your layout must be incorrect. Give me a thumbs up if you can see me. Your layout must be incorrect, Cheyenne. So you can pin me. So if you go to My Little Towel, you can pin me and tap on the little push pin and pin me to the Google Meet. Okay, so then 76, 83, 14, 41. And now I'm going to do one more. Let's actually make this. There you go. Alright, so I want you to tell me which of those numbers is greater than, less than, or equal to. You can take your time, write them all down in your notebook or on your dry erase board with a marker. Egypt, I'd love to see your beautiful face.
Miss Cooper, what do we do when we're done?
Put both of your hands on your cheeks and squish them in.
But Miss Cooper,
Yeah?
can I say one thing?
Say it again.
Can I say one thing?
Is it an answer to the problem?
No.
Okay, go for it.
You're the best teacher ever.
Ah, thank you. Well, do you all know y'all are the best students ever? True story. Hey, Natalie. Okay, so we're solving these problems. You're telling me which one's greater than, less than, or equal to. And then I'm going to have you show me your work and do a 3, 2, 1 countdown. Oh, I'm seeing lots of smushed faces. Whoa, George, that is a smushed face, man. All right, show me your work in 3, 2, 1. Show me your work. Good, 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 good. Oh, I think you guys are rock and rolling. Thank you to my friends who have showed me already. Thank you, Jet. Good job. Thank you, Jet. Thank you, Cheyenne. Thank you, Jack. Alrighty, who could read me the first number sentence with the correct greater than, less than, or equal to symbol? Who could read it to me? Go for it, Aubrey. Thank you, Alice.
76 is less than 83.
That's right, 76 is less than 83. That's right. If Dale the dinosaur was over here, let me go get him. Dale would like to make an appearance.
Yeah. Yeah.
Make sure that you're muted. That's right. Dale's here. He would eat 83, right? Because 83 is the bigger number. Home, 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 home. Good job. Who could read me my next number sentence? Where'd my green marker go? Go for it, Jack. I could just use my finger. You're muted.
Is less than 41.
Say it again because you were muted for part of it.
14 is less than 41.
That's right. 14 is less than 41. Right. Dale's going to eat 41, right? He's going to eat 41. Because 41 is the bigger number. Who could read me the next one? Go for it, Cheyenne. Unmute yourself, girly.
30 equals to 30.
Right, 30 equals 30. Good job. So 30 is equal to 30. So Dale would not eat either number because neither number is bigger. So he would be sad. He's a sad Dale. Who could read me my last number sentence?
Numbers.
Who could read me my last number sentence? Well, Dale only eats bigger numbers, so he doesn't eat either number if they're equal. Jet, read me my last one, dude.
27 is bigger than 25.
Right, 27 is greater than 25. That's right. And if Dale was coming to eat, he would eat number 27. Right? Because he likes those bigger numbers. Great, great job. Now, if only I could find the marker I had. Frustrations. Well, guess what? That's all I have today, except I will go over your seesaw activity real quick.
Miss Cooper. What?
Man.
Are they going to have a fun one? Because I'm upside down.
Okay, I need everyone to mute themselves in 3, 2, 1.
Miss Cooper.
I need everyone to mute themselves in 3, 2, 1. Thanks. I don't know where that marker is, and I'm not going to be able to use the board. Sometimes I tell you guys, I don't think my brain's always strapped on. I just put a marker there. I made it work. I Mickey gazooted, as my mom would say. Yeah, she'd be proud. Okay. Alright, so for your seesaw activity, what you have to do today is you'll have different number sentences and you're going to move them to the correct column. Is it greater than? Is it less than? Or is it equal to? Then once you move them to the column, I want you to write the symbols in the number sentence. So, for example, 4 and 4, is that greater than, less than, or equal to? Equal to, George, that's right. So then I would take the pen tool and I would draw an equal sign. Right. What about 20 and 12? Is that greater? Is 20 greater than 12? Is 20 less than 12? Or is 20 equal to 12? Which one? Zoe?
20 is greater than 12.
20 is greater than 12. That's right. And then I would put a greater than symbol in there.
Miss Cooper.
What about 4 and 8? Is 4 greater than 8? Is 4 less than 8? Or is 4 equal to 8? Who could tell me? Most of you are showing me. That's right. 4 is less than 8. So I would put it there and put a less than symbol in. And then when you're finished with each of those equations, there's only 4 for each one. You'll hit the green check and turn it in. But that is all I have for your math lesson today.